Hi. If you've ever played D&D, you'll know that visuals can help immerse your team in the game. So today, we're going to show you how to make a super cheap, portable, dry erase battle board to bring to your next game. For this, you'll just need a few cheap supplies. Cardstock, we stained ours with coffee, a pencil or thin marker, an eraser, scissors, a ruler, an adhesive book cover, which you can buy for a few dollars from any office supply store. We'll be making 2 boards today, leaving a 1/2-inch square on either side so that they line up seamlessly. First, mark off every inch on both sides of the short end, then draw a line across between these points. Repeat the process with the other side. Oops, well, that's why we recommend an eraser. Once your grid is done, feel free to decorate your board. A compass or a Here Be Dragons is classical, but not necessary. You can also go over your pencils with pen if you want, but we like the subtle effect with the pencil. When you're happy with the aesthetics, cut a sheet of adhesive slightly larger than the board. Peel back the wax paper partially. Place the adhesive over the board, and carefully flatten the adhesive. Work slowly. Bubbles can be difficult to work out. Once the adhesive has been applied, trim off the excess. You can wrap the extra over the edge, but it might bubble a bit. And you're all done! You can apply this technique to paper of any size. Use only dry erase markers and maybe alcohol if you need to clean any stubborn stains. Happy gaming!